Hi, today I want to talk about why it is when you get a 30-year fixed rate mortgage that your payment will still sometimes vary from year to year. And that's because it really has nothing to do with the actual mortgage payment, the loan, the amount that you're financing and paying back at, say, 6.5%. Let's just say you've got a 6.5% rate. You've borrowed $300,000. Well, that principal and interest payment is never going to change. That's going to remain constant the entire time. That's why it's a 30-year fix. It's not an adjustable. But what does happen is your taxes will change. Your homeowner's insurance will change. That's typically where your payment then gets impacted. Let me give you an example. So when you close on the home, so you're closing and your homeowner's insurance is $1,200. Well, if you remember, at the closing, we collect that $1,200. That gets sent off to your insurance company so that you're covered for the next 12 months. Then what will happen is the mortgage company collects the monthly premium based on what the annual was. So if your premium was, say, $1,200, they'll divide that by 12. They'll be collecting $100 per month every month. So at the end of the 12-month period, when your homeowner's insurance comes due again, they should have the monies needed to send and take care of you for another 12 months. However, if your homeowner's insurance increases, and let's say it went from $1,200 a year to $1,500 a year, now when they go to pay the $1,500, they've only collected enough for $1,200. It creates a $300 shortage that they'll have to collect from you. So that would increase your payment $25 per month. Plus, now your new premium is $1,500, not $1,200. So that's $125 a month. So therefore, that's another increase of $25 per month. And so what happens is your monthly mortgage payment increases $50 because your homeowner's insurance went up $300 for the year. And same thing, or very similar thing, if you will, with your property taxes. When your property taxes come out, if they've increased and they've only been collecting based on that lower amount, that's why you'll get that adjustment. So here's a little trick for you that you might want to consider. It helps somewhat. It's not going to alleviate it completely. But oftentimes when there is that shortage like that, let's again go back to the insurance example. You can also, if you're able to, send in the $300 shortage that was created, and then your payment would only increase $25 because of the increased premium. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you because I get questions all the time. Why is my payment changing? I thought I was on a 30-year fixed. You are on a 30-year fixed, but your taxes, your insurance, those things are going to adjust from year to year when the mortgage company does what's called their escrow analysis. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have more questions around how this all works with your escrow, etc., please give us a call, text us, email us. We're always here to answer your questions. Always looking forward to assisting you. Have a great day. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.